In our lecture, in our science lecture, today discuss about various types of air pollution. Okay, various types of air pollution. You already know various types of pollution present in our earth, like air pollution, sound pollution, water pollution. Okay, soil pollution is also. This pollution responsible for disturbing all living thing. This pollution responsible for disturbing all living thing. Okay. Today we discuss about one type of pollution is what air pollution. Is what air pollution. Okay. You carefully observe all the above pictures show in your textbook related to air pollution. Related to air pollution. This air pollution released into various types of industry and various types of motor vehicles and also forest fire. Okay, also forest fire. All the above pictures show large scale. All above the pictures show large scale emission of smoke through agencies. Various agencies like you already know, industries, motor vehicle. Okay, forest fire is there. All the pictures show large scale emission of smoke. Large scale of emission of smoke. Emissions means what? Marathi meaning of emission is utsarjan. What utsarjan? To release out. Okay, to release out. Smoke, dur. Smoke means dur. Okay. This air pollution responsible large scale of emission means what? Utsarjan of smoke, dur through various agencies like industry, motor vehicle, okay, forest fire. This responsible for air pollution. This responsible for what? Air pollution. Okay. Next one is this smoke directly mix with atmosphere. This smoke is a large emission of smoke directly mix with what? Atmosphere. Mix with what? Atmosphere. Healthy atmosphere. Okay. Disturbing the balance between constituent in air. Disturbing balance between constituent in air. Constituents means what? Constituent in air means what? हवेतील घटक. Constituent in air. हवेतील घटक. Constituent in air. This large number of smoke directly mix with healthy atmosphere present on earth, disturbing balance between constituent in earth. Okay, in example of constituent in air, oxygen, carbon dioxide, various useful constituent present in earth. This is a very useful constituent in air. What? This disturbing by this smoke. This disturbing by this smoke. Okay, this is called what? Air pollution. This is called what? Air pollution. Okay. So what is air pollution? Large scale of emission of smoke through a various agency. This smoke directly mix with atmosphere. Large scale of emission of smoke through a agency. This smoke directly mix with healthy atmosphere, disturbing the balance between constituent in air. These constituent in air useful for all living things. This is disturbing by this smoke and is called as air pollution. Is called as air pollution. Okay. Next one is harmful gases are given out through combustion of fuel. What is meant by combustion of fuel? इंधनाचे ज्वलन. Combustion of fuel, इंधनाचे ज्वलन. Okay. Harmful gases given out through combustion of fuel in vehicle and industry. Okay, harmful means is in dangerous gases released from how combustion of fuel in released from vehicles and industry. Various vehicle and various industry release harmful gas with combustion of fuel. Okay, this is our fourth point. Next one, fifth point, incomplete combustion of fuel like wood and coal. Incomplete combustion of fuel like wood and coal. As a result, air pollution increase day by day. Okay, Why air pollution increase day by day? Because incomplete combustion of fuel like wood and coal. You already know coal means कोळसा. Why air pollution increase day by day? Because incomplete combustion of fuel like wood and coal. Incomplete combustion of fuel like wood and coal. As a result, air pollution increase day by day. Okay. Harmful substance in air to combustion of fuel. Harmful substance in air to combustion of fuel like this: NO2, CO2, CO, SO2, and soot particle and soil particle. Soot particle and soil particle. Soot काजळी. काजळी. Soot means काजळी. Okay. NO2 nitrogen oxide, CO2 carbon dioxide, CO carbon monoxide, SO2 sulfur dioxide, and soot. Okay, this is a harmful substance released through the combustion of fuel. Okay, next one is ozone layer. Next one is what? Ozone layer. Our point name is ozone layer. Ozone Protection Day celebrate 16th September. Ozone Protection Day celebrate in 16th September. Okay. Lower part of stratosphere. You already know which location stratosphere are present above the Earth surface. 12 kilometers stratosphere is there above the Earth surface. Okay, stratosphere is there. Okay, lower part of stratosphere. This lower part of stratosphere, ozone gas not useful directly of living thing. Okay, lower part of stratosphere, ozone gas not useful directly for all living things. Okay, high altitude ozone gas present high altitude around the sun. Ozone gas present high altitude around the sun. High altitude means what? खूप उंचीवर. High height. Okay, खूप उंचीवर. High altitude. Ozone gas present high altitude around the earth. Okay. Ultraviolet rays harmful is observed by ozone layer. Ultraviolet rays means UV rays. This is a very harmful for all living things and earth. These ultraviolet rays observed by ozone layer. These ultraviolet rays observed by ozone layer. That's why ozone layer is very necessary. That's why ozone layer is very necessary for all living things. Life on earth is protected. Why life on earth is protected? Because ultraviolet rays, this is a harmful rays. Ultraviolet rays means what? Harmful rays. These ultraviolet rays observed by ozone layer. That's why life on earth is protected. That's why life on earth is protected. This ozone layer also destroyed by some gases. This ozone layer also destroyed by some gases like carbon tetrachloride and chlorofluorocarbon. Carbon tetrachloride and chlorofluorocarbon, and also various air condition present on earth. Various air condition present on earth. Okay, म्हणजे वातावरणीय यंत्रे ज्याला म्हणतो, वातावरणीय यंत्रे जसे AC. Okay, this is our point, ozone layer. Who do not understand, that's why I am repeat this. Okay, all the above pictures show large scale emission of smoke through an agency. You carefully observe picture present in your textbook. Okay, in your textbook shows picture shows large scale emission of smoke through agency, various agency like industry, motor vehicles. Okay, this smoke directly mix with atmosphere. This release smoke directly mix with what? Healthy atmosphere, disturbing the balance between air. Constituting air means what? हवेतील घटक. Constituting means air means हवेतील घटक. बरोबर? Next, this reason created air pollution. Harmful gases are given out through combustion of fuel in vehicle and industry. Harmful gases means what? Harmful gases are given out through combustion of fuel in vehicle and industry. How harmful gases released? Through combustion of fuel in vehicles and industry. Okay. Incomplete combustion of fuel like wood and coal. Incomplete combustion of fuel like wood and coal. Incomplete means अर्धजलन. क्या म्हणतात त्याला? अर्धजलन. मराठी मीनिंग अर्धजलन. Combustion of fuel like wood and coal, as a result air pollution increased day by day. Harmful substance in air through combustion of fuel like this NO2, CO2, CO2, SO2 and soot particle. Okay, next, ozone layer. World Ozone Protection Day celebrate 16 September. Ozone layer do not present and not useful for lower part of stratosphere. You already know stratosphere present above the earth 12 kilometer. Okay, this is not useful for all living things. This ozone layer not useful for all living things. High ozone layer present high altitude around the earth. High altitude means what? खूप उंचीवर. Okay, above the earth surface. Ultraviolet rays is very harmful for all living things. These ultraviolet rays observed by this ozone layer. These harmful ultraviolet rays observed by this ozone layer. That's why ultraviolet rays not reaching the earth. Ultraviolet rays not reaching the earth. Okay, life on earth is protected. That's why life on earth is protected. This ozone layer also described by carbon, tetrachloride, chlorofluorocarbon and also air conditioner. Okay, also air conditioner. This ozone layer present in this area of earth. Okay, this is the earth. Ozone layer present in this area of earth. These protect harmful ultraviolet rays. Okay, these ozones are protected to the earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays. They do not reaching the earth. This is our ozone layer. This is our earth. Okay, this is the ozone layer. Location of ozone layer. This is a harmful ultraviolet rays. Okay, that's why harmful ultraviolet rays do not reaching the earth. The harmful ultraviolet rays do not reaching the earth. Okay, that's why life on earth is protected. But this ozone layer also destroyed by harmful gases present on earth like carbon tetrachloride and chlorofluorocarbon, also air conditioners present in our earth. Okay, this is what our point air pollution. If any doubt you ask me. Okay, you understand this lecture carefully, observe this lecture carefully. Okay, Thank you.